On a sunny morning, Lynn stepped outside with her loyal dog Max by her side. Together, they explored the yard, discovering colorful rocks and pine cones scattered across the garden. Max sniffed each finding curiously, wagging his tail. After sharing
In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made this complete video in under 10 minutes using Canva and other tools. Make sure you watch the entire video to see the full process. So for today's video, here I am in Canva, and I'm going right to video. You can choose any of these. I'll stick with landscape. Now we're inside the video editor. Next, I'll go to Uploads. I've already made my pictures for this video. So first, I'll take my pictures and put them all in here, like this. So there are all my images. I made these somewhere else and upscaled them. So before I get started, I'm going to come right down here at the bottom and add a blank here, then stretch it like that. Next, I'll grab this image and drag it right over here like that. Then I'll get this one and add it, and the same thing for all my other images. Remember, these techniques I'm showing you could be used for any kind of video, for school, for your kids, for work, whatever. So now let's take all these and enlarge each one to fill the page. Nice. The next thing I'll do is go to this first image and make sure that I click on it. If you don't click on it, you won't see these editing tools up here, right? So click on this. Then click on Edit and come over here to Image to Video. Choose that. You have two options here. Let the AI make it for you, or tell it exactly what you want it to do by putting a prompt in here. I'm going to use the Smart option. Right now, it's making 6-second videos. A few weeks ago, it was 3, then it moved up to 5, and now it's 6. So that's excellent. Then click on it and generate the video. It's going to transform this image into a video. Wow, that is so good. All right, so let's watch it. Remember, that was an image just a few seconds ago. Now it's a video. I'll leave it like that for now. Let's keep going. I'll use the same process for each one of these images. So I will come to this one. Make sure you click on it, that way you'll see all these editing tools up here. Then go to Edit, go to Image to Video, and leave it on Smart. Click Generate. All right, yeah, that's good. So let's keep going. Make sure it's highlighted. Remember, click on the image, click Edit, Image to Video, Generate Video. Let's see what it gives us. Okay, nice. Remember, click on the picture, click on Edit, click on Image to Video, then Smart, then Generate. All right, here's the next one. Same process as before. And here's the next one here. Same thing. And here's the last one. Very good. So the next thing I want to do is come right down here. I'm going to cut it before we get to that other person. I'll stop it right about there. And pull it back some. Then pull each of these over a little bit. Yeah, that's what I want. I just wanted the dog and the girl in this video. Next, I'll come between each one of these scenes and right-click, then add a split. If you can't see what's going on there, if you click right down here, you can enlarge this to make it easier to see. Okay, right-click, split, over and over. Now you can see I've got all the videos in here. Excellent. Next thing, I'll come here between these two, I'll click on this bottom one. And again, if you can't see it, if you'll make this bigger, it makes it a lot easier to see. I want to add a transition, so I'll click there. I'm going to choose Dissolve. I'll make it a little bit longer, then scroll down here and put it between all scenes. Okay, so that saves some time. The next thing I want to do is to add a little bit of a background sound. I'm going to go find some birds to add in here. I'll go to pixabay.com. You can use this for free. If you click there, you'll see there's all different things you can choose. I want sound effects, so that's where I'm at now, looking for birds chirping. It gives you all these examples, and if you want to hear them, you just click on the triangles. And if you want to download them, you click right over here. Finally, I'll download it. Now I'll go back to Canva and go over to Uploads. I'm going to take that bird sound and drag it in. Now it's in the audio section, so I'll put this right back here at the beginning. Then click on this to put it right there. It always adds the sound directly behind wherever the playhead is. But if you don't get it right, you can always move it. I'm also going to make it quieter. And I'll add a little narration here, so give me a second to make that. I just want a narrator telling what is happening in the story. This time I've come to a tool called Magica. It used to be called Galaxy. I'll add an affiliate link below if you want to try it. It has a whole lot of different AI tools in here. I'll be using text-to-speech, so I came here. You have several models to choose from. I chose Gemini. I put my text in here, then I chose my voice. Then I clicked Generate. Once finished, I had the recording right over here. So since I've already made it, I'm not going to do it again, but that is the process in here. Next, I went back here to my video and added it to Uploads, which is where I'm at now. I'm going to take the narration and drop it in right there. Then I'm going to move it right back here. Next, I'll make it a little bit louder. All right, I can always separate this out if I wanted to. So first of all, I'm just going to listen to it to see if I need to make any changes.
On a sunny morning, Lynn stepped outside with her loyal dog Max by her side. Together, they explored the yard, discovering colorful rocks and pine cones scattered across the garden.
Perfect. Right here at the end on the bird sounds, I'll fade it out a little at the end. So now that I've got it all set up, the next thing I will do is come up here to share. Click on download. Make sure MP4 is chosen and 1080. Then I'm going to click download. Once finished, I can put it anywhere I want to. My social media, my website, wherever. All right, so now you have watched me create a complete video project, from idea to images to videos, and then actually putting it all together here. And I made the whole thing in about 7 minutes. So now it's time for you to try the same thing. Just remember the process. You start with an idea, create a script, create the images, then take each of those images and convert them into videos. Then I used the video editor and I added sound and a narration. Now I'll show you one trick. You could create the narration in here if you wanted to. Just come down here to audio and you can record a voiceover, or you can use the AI voice to do that. But I chose the Magica approach, so take your pick. So that's how you do it. So come here and try this yourself and have fun experimenting with making your next video project.
If you found this useful, hit that like button. It helps a ton. And if you want to get better at making AI videos that actually stand out, I've got another video right here you'll want to watch next.